Hey everyone, Valerie Zammitti of Zammitti Law, where we provide peace of mind to families through estate planning, elder law, and probate matters. In the next few minutes, we're going to answer the question why every 18-year-old needs an estate plan. Before we get there, however, if you have any questions about this topic or anything estate planning or probate related, feel free to reach out to us and have a free conversation at yourplanningattorney.com. That's yourplanningattorney.com. This question was reminiscent of a time when a father reached out to our office struggling in helping his daughter who had recently fallen ill and was unfortunately in a coma at the time. She had an apartment, she had assets, she had a job with income, and he wasn't quite sure how to help her in this circumstance. So having an estate plan for that individual would have helped in getting the dad access to all of those things to help her along. And keep in mind that an estate plan is not just a last will and testament, which is sort of a misunderstanding of many people. It starts with you as an individual and your incapacity planning, a financial power of attorney, and proper health documents, like a proxy where you designate your health agent if you can't make your own medical decisions, and a few others. These documents are imperative for everyone over the age of 18, but we don't often think about it because, yes, statistically, the likelihood of something happening at that age is probably pretty small, but it's certainly worth finding out what it would take to implement these documents for that young person, the approximate cost, because the likelihood is if something did happen and it was a long-term event, then the cost of going through a guardianship proceeding for a parent or close relative who's going to help that individual could be 20 times the amount of just setting up the proper estate plan or the incapacity planning documents for that young adult. So I would advise that any young individual watching this video, maybe their parents who are shipping them back off to college, think about getting a proper incapacity planning done for that individual. Luckily, in the circumstance where the dad reached out to us, his daughter did begin to improve, and within a month or two, we were able to get her incapacity planning documents and set them up appropriately so that he could continue to assist a little bit more flexibly. Again, if you have questions about this topic or anything estate planning or probate related, you can reach out to us for a free conversation at yourplanningattorney.com. That's yourplanningattorney.com. Thank you so much for listening, and if you found this useful, please share, like, and subscribe where appropriate so that you and others don't miss out. Again, Valerie Zammitti of Zammitti Law. Take care.